The train spotters among you will love this spot close to Christchurch. It's primarily for walking and cycling, but it's got great train stuff, a cave for kids to explore, and a view I wish I had from my front room. Welcome to the Little River Rail Trail.
Freestyling ourselves a wee jam, stripping it back to the roots of the genre.
A number of people approached DOC some years ago, about 5-6 years ago, wanting to reinstate it, reuse it, but not as a railway line, but to cycle it and use it as a walking access track.
That's why we do what we do.
I grew up with the railway line, I guess, and being a child in the river. Some of the railway families were involved with the workings of the railway, and we used to borrow the jigger and go down the side of the lake. We went eeling and filled up our bag of eels, and then we'd have to get back before somebody found out that we'd taken the jigger or that the train didn't come along and catch us on the rail. And there were very few places you could get it off the rail too. So.
When this track was operational in 1899, people used to complain that the cyclists were beating the train from station to station.
DOC had found the old railway station, so we said we'd renovate it. And that was quite a major job because a lot of the timber was rotten. So we had to put on new weatherboards. And that was hard to get. We had to get them from Southland because they've got circular saw cuts on them, and that's a bit hard to find these days.
The hope is to get the trail going from here right back through to Christchurch. It'll be basically a cycleway all the way from Hornby, Christchurch, all the way to Little River.
It's really fun, and the reason that I like about riding is because you get exercise. Sometimes when you're going really fast and there's up a hill, you might be able to do a little jump, because my brother does that sometimes.
What's the best thing you like about riding on this road?
Seeing the light, black swans. It's nice and bumpy.
That's why we do what we do.
There's lots of bridges and kettle stops to go over, and that's fun to go over. It's nice and flat, and at our house it's really hilly.
We like the fires to burn again.
We live around here and there's really no flat areas for the kids to bike on, so it's good to bring them down here and there's no traffic, so they can just go for it. And the kids just love looking at the birds and things.
Sometimes in the dark, because sometimes we go hunting with our bikes.
Do you? What do you go hunting for?
Sometimes you go looking for rabbits.
I've had a fantastic time learning all about our rail history in this gorgeous part of Canterbury. What fantastic views and what an amazing way to spend the afternoon.